I'm going live with my mom. This is my mom. She can't hear, so she acting silly. So this is my food. So here's my food, y'all. I already started. I went live, y'all, on Facebook. So I said, she maxed. She maxed. Don't mind this back here, y'all. We having a party tomorrow for my me and Dre's birthday. We doing a quarantine birthday party together. And we only partying with the ones that we've been quarantining with. So, but we decorated the whole house and everything. And we gonna do a video tomorrow so y'all can see that. But yeah, I just wanted to go live because I haven't been live. I want to do a video mukbang with my mama here in the pair. So she actually goofy, silly, y'all. And yeah. So I really don't even know what to say. I'm hungry, so I'm really ready to eat. And I got a son over here that act like he's hungry with full of money and it's on the card. I bites it open, y'all, because that's just the way it works for me. I gave my mama a little food, y'all, because she eat like a little bird. But today, for some reason, she is maxing. When I tell you she even ate damn near everything, her plate over there loaded. She wasn't waiting on me or nothing. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse my mother. Dre here, y'all, but she putting the grill together because we barbecuing tomorrow. And I don't think she want to come say hi. Dre, you want to come say hi? Y'all heard her? She's been here. I don't know what she's doing because she's going a little bit too fast because she ain't going to be able to get none of this. Oh, this is so good, y'all. Ooh, it's so good, y'all. It's so good. I got a whole pack, 2 packs of beloved sauce upstairs, y'all. But I was craving seafood and I didn't feel like making it. I didn't feel like making no sauce. I didn't feel like doing none of that. So I was just like, let me go on and order me some seafood real quick. And they delivered it, you know, for my birthday. Now that I'm eating it, I wish I had beloved sauce. But that's okay. Because you know what? I know I got it. It's mine. And it's upstairs. Y'all, this stuff's so hard. I don't know what she said, but when I edit this video and look at it, I will tell you guys what she said. Because I have no idea what she said, but I know she said something quick. I think she said party soon. That's freaking. Did I eat all that? I guess I did. That dang on lemonade hit different, boy. I didn't eat all of it. It's right here. They're living it different. Let me tell y'all something. Sorry for the smacking, but hearing impaired people, they smack. But they didn't hear themselves. So this is her actually really smacking. Listen. Y'all hear that? She really smacking. That's how she smack. That's how she eat her food. Cause she can't hit a smacker. Y'all always mess up my clothes, so I got on an apron. I got an apron on and a bib. My mom was hungry. Cause she is maxing, boy. No limit. She ain't doing no limit on that. But I'm really trying to eat. Y'all like my nails? I did my nails, my own nails. I got a video. I'm gonna edit it. It ain't perfect, but I think I did good. For the first time using poly gel for my birthday because you know everything is closed, so it was either or. Either do my nails or they gonna be looking a hot mess. So I did my nails. Thanks for the food, honey. You heard me? Thanks for the food. Oh man. Hey, I'm messing this bill up. She love her food, y'all. She eat like a bird, though. Usually. But we'll see if she want more. Today is actually April 17th. This video today, April 17th. She said she done. She done. I just told her I'm putting it on YouTube. How 40 years been to me. 40 years been. I guess it's been good to me. I had my ups. I had my downs. I went through the struggle. I was struggling. I was homeless before. And God won't put too much on you that you can't bear. And it's all just a test. So you gotta stay strong. Stay prayed up. Keep faith. But I'm 40 and I got 3 boys. No kids. 20, 18, 15. My first child at 19. So they actually doing good, huh? I was 19 when I got pregnant. I actually was 20 when I had him. And his birthday is on the clock. When I turned 21, like he's 20 now, and I'm 40. When I turn 41, he'll be 21. I guess you're saying, Magic, put some more in there. Yo, that's a good one. That's a good one. Jesus. Ooh, I'm getting full already. Y'all, and I eat a lot of seafood. For some reason, I'm getting full. I don't know. Take a shower. She said she's gonna take a shower because she's smelling. Y'all, my stuff getting cold. Y'all, my mama a trip. Oh no, just have to talk about what I got for my birthday. So, I got this bracelet from my son. It says mom, and it got infinity like all around it. And then I got some flowers from him. And that's my middle son, Valentino. And then from Dre, I got my Apple Watch that I wanted. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. My Apple Watch, some shoes that's gonna be here late. Some what kind of shoes you give me? Air Max. Some Air Max. That's gonna be here Monday. So, huh? Air Max 90s is what's coming. And then she got me a pair of high top and low top Vans. And I'm just real big on my gifts. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all want to see that video. I'll probably do it anyway if y'all don't comment or not. There's a lot of haters out there. And make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and leave me a heart in the description for happy birthday, because my name is Valentine, full of a lot of love, and my sign is Valentine. A heart over your heart is my name in sign language, Valentine. Thank y'all for tuning in. I still got a lot of food, y'all. Love y'all.